Welcome back. Now that we know the basic sequence characters, let's look at the most common function for finding a pattern anywhere in a string, re.search parenthesis. This function scans the entire string from start to finish and returns the very first match it finds. 1. Using re.search parenthesis. The search function takes the pattern first, followed by the string you are searching within. In our example, the pattern r \d looks for any two consecutive digits. The function finds 10 from 100, as it's the first occurrence. The result of a successful search is a match object. If no match is found, it returns none. 2. The match object. The match object is an essential structure that holds information about the match. To get the actual string that matched the pattern, you call the group parenthesis method on the object. You can also use the expand parenthesis method to find the starting and ending indices where the match occurred in the original string. This object is what you use to process the extracted data. 3. Handling no match. Since re.search returns none when it fails to find a pattern, the match object itself is truthy when a match is found, and none is falsy when it fails. Therefore, you may simply use an if match statement to check for success. Attempting to call methods like group on none will result in an error, so always check for a match first. To summarize, re.search is great for finding the first instance. Our next lecture 24.04. Find all and match. See you there.